Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly automotive paint guns. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a car restoration hobbyist, or just looking to get the best bang for your buck, we've got you covered. We'll be counting down the top 5 best budget automotive paint guns that combine quality, performance, and value. You can find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the RRJ HVLP spray gun with 10 disposable 650 milliliter paint cups and 4 nozzle sizes ranging from 1.4 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters. This paint gun boasts industrial-grade atomization technology with a 15-hole copper cap, ensuring a smooth, mirror-like finish and reducing paint waste by 30%. It's designed for heavy-duty use, making it suitable for automotive, furniture, and industrial painting applications. The build quality of the RRJ is impressive, with a lightweight aluminum alloy body, brass air cap, and stainless steel components for durability. The ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue during long painting sessions, which is a thoughtful addition for frequent users. The inclusion of 10 disposable paint cups is a time saver, allowing for quick setup and cleanup without the hassle of washing traditional cups. While the RRJ delivers excellent atomization and includes a versatile set of nozzles, it's more suited for those tackling large-scale or high-intensity projects. However, the lack of significant user reviews limits confidence in long-term reliability. If you're someone who values efficiency and flexibility, this is an option to consider, but it doesn't quite reach the top of our list due to its niche focus and limited user feedback. Pros: excellent atomization, wide nozzle variety. Cons: limited reviews, not ideal for beginners. Coming in at number 4 is the Automotive HVLP air spray gun, a versatile option featuring 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2.0 millimeters nozzles, plus a 600 cc mixing cup system. This paint gun is all about efficiency, with a paint utilization rate of up to 65%, saving both material and time. The spraying width of 240 millimeters and precision-machined 15-hole brass hood ensure high-quality atomization for smooth, even coverage. It's perfect for automotive top coats, primers, and clear coats, as well as furniture refinishing. The build quality here is durable, with an aluminum body and brass components. The addition of an air compressor regulator and a reusable filter gives you full control over air pressure, which is a major plus for achieving consistent results. A standout feature is the inclusion of 10 disposable mixing cups, which reduce the hassle and cost of cleanup. However, replacing nozzles requires additional effort, as you'll need to switch the needle as well, which could be cumbersome for beginners. Overall, the Automotive is a strong contender for those who need a reliable and cost-effective solution for various painting projects. While it's slightly heavier than some other models, its precision and versatility make it a great pick for intermediate users. Pros: high atomization quality, disposable cups included. Cons: nozzle replacement process, slightly heavy. Taking the number 3 spot is the Innocraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit. This kit is designed with DIYers in mind, offering everything you need to get started, including 3 nozzle sizes: 1.3 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, 1.7 millimeter, an air pressure regulator, an oil-water separator, and even a quick start guide to make setup a breeze. Whether you're painting cars, furniture, or tackling home projects, this gun delivers professional results with its superior paint atomization and transfer efficiency. The D1's one-piece forged aluminum body with a Teflon coating is both lightweight and durable, resisting wear and making cleanup simple. It's also equipped with clearly marked scales and labels, which make it very user-friendly, even for beginners. The consistent spray performance ensures an even finish, and its low air consumption means you can work longer without worrying about overloading your compressor. While the Innocraft D1 is slightly pricier than other options on this list, its premium build quality, comprehensive accessories, and user-friendly design make it an excellent investment, particularly for hobbyists and first-time users. Pros: complete kit, user-friendly design. Cons: slightly higher weight, premium price tag. In second place, we have the Endozer Professional HVLP spray gun set. This versatile spray gun features stainless steel nozzles in 3 sizes: 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2.0 millimeters, and a 20-ounce gravity feed cup, making it perfect for automotive painting, furniture refinishing, and even arts and crafts. The 15-hole brass hood is designed for uniform atomization, ensuring a smooth finish with minimal overspray. The Endozer's build quality is excellent, with a corrosion-resistant brass hood and stainless steel components that promise durability. The included accessories, such as an air pressure gauge and quick adapter set, make this kit compatible with a variety of usage scenarios. The fluid control, pattern control, and air conditioning valve are all adjustable, giving you precise control over your spray. This spray gun offers great versatility and efficiency, making it a standout choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. However, it's not suitable for latex paints, which limits its usability for some DIY projects. Pros: excellent atomization, durable build. Cons: not compatible with latex paints, slightly less user-friendly for beginners. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the AeroPro Tools R500 LVLP air spray gun. This model comes with 3 nozzle sizes: 1.3 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, and 1.7 millimeters, and an air regulator for precise control. Designed with a new Teflon coating, the R500 is wear-resistant, easy to clean, and built for durability. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive painting to furniture and even house painting. The standout feature of the AeroPro R500 is its LVLP, low-volume, low-pressure technology. This allows for a smooth, professional finish with minimal overspray, saving you both paint and time. With a high paint utilization rate of up to 65% and a spray width of 280 millimeters, this gun is incredibly efficient. The trigger design also features 2 gears, one for dust cleaning and the other for painting, reducing fatigue during extended use. The AeroPro combines efficiency, versatility, and ease of use, making it the best all-around choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. While it might be slightly heavier than some competitors, its performance and durability make it well worth the investment. Pros: efficient LVLP technology, durable design. Cons: slightly heavier than competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you discover the best budget automotive paint gun for your needs. If you found the information useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.